Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome you all in GK session. So, today we'll start with chapter 34, that is the professionals. So, in this chapter, we are going to see the different professions and what they do. Okay, the professionals are experts having specialized knowledge of a particular subjects or you can say field. Okay, let's start. The first one, a person who acts on the stage, television or in films, that everybody knows, right? They called actor. उसको हम क्या बुलाएंगे? Actor. An actor works to portray a character in a movie, play, television show, theatre production or any other variety of performance. But that's not all there is to this interesting job. Actors audition for roles and if selected, perform those roles to bring the characters to life. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. That is a person who teaches you how to play a game. Different type of games like cricket, football, बैडमिंटन एंड बॉक्सिंग एवरीथिंग जो गेम सिखाते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कोच. कोचिंग इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इन विच एन एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन कॉल्ड अ कोच सपोर्ट्स अ लर्नर और क्लाइंट इन एचिंग अ स्पेसिफिक game and in specialized in that. Next is a person who sells and makes sweets is called confectioner. जो यू कैन से मिठाई या फिर केक्स बनाते हैं उसको हम बोलेंगे confectioner. The occupations of confectioner encompasses the categories of cooking performed by both the French patissier or you can say pastry chef and the sugar worker. Baker's confectionery, also called flour confections, includes principally sweet pastries, cakes and similar baked goods. Next, a person who flies an aircraft, aeroplane or helicopter, whatever you say, that's called pilot, right? Everybody's know. An aircraft pilot or you can say aviator, we can also say aviator, is a person who controls the flight of an aircraft by operating its directional flight controls. Some other air crew members such as navigators or flight engineers are also considered aviators because they are involved in operating the aircraft, navigations and engine system too. Next is mason. A mason is a person who is called or you can say skilled at making things or building things with stone. In American English, masons are people who work with stone or bricks. A mason is the same as a freemason. नेक्स्ट इज अ पर्सन हु राइट्स नॉवेल्स. जो नॉवेल्स लिखते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? नॉवेलिस्ट. A novelist is an author or writer of novels, though often novelists also write in the other genres of both fiction and non-fiction. Some novelists are professional novelists, thus make a living writing novels and other fictions, while others aspire to support themselves in this way or write as an avocation. Number 7, a person who treats sick animals is called veterinarian. Okay, you can say veterinary doctor, जो animals को treat करते हैं. A veterinarian or a vet is someone who gives animals veterinary medicines or medical treatment. There are many different types of veterinarians. Some work with small animals, large farm animals or wild animals. Veterinarians learn to treat all animals but sometimes work with a specific time. Next one is a person who fights for the country is called soldier, right? A soldier is a person who is a part of an army. If people fight in irregular armies, not wearing a uniform and not part of the official military, they are called partisans. If they fight against another nation's army or terrorists, if they fight civilians. A soldier can be conscripted or volunteer enlisted person, a non-commissioned officer or an officer. Soldiers are military personnel that participate in ground, sea, air forces or reserved places. Next, a person who writes computer programs is called, yes, programmer. Computer programmers write and test code that allows computer applications and programs to function. A computer programmer, sometimes called a software developer, a programmer, or a more recently a coder, is a person who creates computer software. The term computer programmer can refer to a specialist in one area of computers or to a generalist who writes code for many kinds of software. And the last one is artist. A person who draws and paints pictures is called artist. An artist is a person engaged in an activity related to creating art, practicing the arts, or demonstrating an art. The common usage in both everyday speech and academic discourse refers to a practitioner in the visual arts only. I hope you understood the video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.